Hello, I just want to show you where the problem is. So this is a quick release pin. After I took it out, I haven't been able to screw it back on. I have tried really hard, I don't want to use a hammer or anything, but I just try using my hand and it doesn't go back on. But if I take this barrel off, and you can see I can easily screw that back on. You can see. So that means the thread, everything has no problem. So this can be easily screwed on, but not with the trigger assembly, everything. So I think the problem could be, yeah, the problem is definitely the alignment. After you put this trigger assembly back on, so then the alignment is off. So that's prevent me, to put it back on. So I couldn't do it. I need your help. Thank you.